This is the fractions practice test, and here we're looking at problem number 7. The problem states convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, and the mixed number here is 5 3/4, and we want to change that into an improper fraction. So what we do is we take the denominator, the 4, multiply it times the whole number, the 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And then we add the numerator. Plus 3 gives me 23. And the 23 is in the numerator. And we put that over the original denominator, which is the 4. So we multiply, and then we add, and we put that number over the original denominator to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. So your answer is 23 over 4. And that's an improper fraction because the top number, the numerator, is larger than the bottom number, the denominator.